Ding dong ding dong. Welcome to Quizzy Lion, my little friends.
Hi my little friends. Welcome to Quizzy Lion, let's play and learn together. Let's test how smart you are by answering these general knowledge questions. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct, it's Mars. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Correct, it's Diwali. How many bones are there in an adult human body? Correct, it's 206. Who discovered gravity? Correct, it's Newton. What is the national bird of India? Correct, it's peacock. Which continent is the largest? Correct, it's Asia. What is H2O commonly known as? Correct, it's water. Who is the author of Harry Potter? Correct, it's J.K. Rowling. Which device is used to measure temperature? Correct, it's thermometer. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? Correct, it's 0 degrees Celsius. What is the capital of the United States? Correct, it's Washington, D.C. How many players are there in a cricket team? Correct, it's 11. What is the longest river in the world? Correct, it's Nile. What is the name of our galaxy? Correct, it's Milky Way. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Correct, it's oxygen. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Correct, it's leaf. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct, it's Jupiter. Who painted the Mona Lisa painting? Correct, it's Leonardo da Vinci. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Correct, it's liver. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Correct, it's AU. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Correct, it's Mumbai. Which animal is known for changing its color? Correct, it's chameleon. What is the name of the closest star to Earth? Correct, it's Sun. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Correct, it's Tagore.